We want justice. We want justice. Save the doctors. Save the saviors. Save the saviors. Save the saviors. Justice. 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 We want justice. We want justice. We want justice. Save the doctors. Save the saviors. Save the doctors. Justice. We want 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 justice. కావాలి కావాలి న్యాయం కావాలి కావాలి కావాలి.
Today we are all gathered here to express our solidarity to what happened on 9th of August at Calcutta. One of our colleague, a young medical student doing post-graduation in Calcutta in TBCD department, working late night up till 1 o'clock in the night. When she went to have rest, she was brutally assaulted, raped and killed. All of us are extremely distressed as it has happened all over the country, and we are extremely saddened. Today morning also our Prime Minister said, Nari Shakti is Desh ki Shakti. In our college also 60 to 70% of the students are girls, and they are the brightest students who are with us. Same happens in the country. Girls are doing well everywhere. We are extremely unhappy with the situation what has happened to doctors, because they are committed full time and they work 24 hours without any fear in the hospital. Anything happens like this causes lot amount of distress and is extremely saddening. We stand by them, and we are a nation which is progressive nation. A nation which is progressive should take care of its women. If we can't take care of our women, then we are not progressive. We are showing all solidarity and support to what happened to the student there and her family, and we stand by everyone to see that our country is safe and our women are safe. We will be with them, and after this we are going to have a candlelight march in the campus. Thank you so much.
నా పేరు గౌతమి. నేను పిఈఎస్ విశ్వవిద్యాలయంలో ఒక ఇంటర్న్ గా పనిచేస్తున్నాను. ఈ నెల 9వ తేదీన కలకత్తాలో మనందరికీ తెలిసిన విధంగా ఒక మహిళ అతి దారుణమైన విధంగా సెక్షువల్లీ అసాల్ట్ చేయబడి చంపబడింది. దీనికి విరుద్ధంగా మేము పిఈఎస్ విద్యార్థులమందరము నిరసన చేపట్టాలని ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాము. మాకు వెంటనే అత్యవసరంగా వి వాంట్ జస్టిస్, మాకు న్యాయం జరగాలి, లేకపోతే మేము ఈ నిరసనని ఎటువంటి పరిస్థితుల్లో ఆపము అని తెలియజేసుకుంటున్నాము.